I think I'd go as far as saying the farm is our whole life. We farm both for the moment and for future generations. It's a really long-term project. Welcome to West Ilkerton Farm in Exmoor National Park. We're so lucky with the weather today. It isn't always like this. It's a 91-hectare livestock farm. We've got pedigree Devon cattle and also Exmoor horn sheep and Exmoor horn crossbred sheep. We also do a meat box scheme, so we sell meat from the farm direct to the public. If you don't look after nature, nature won't look after you. So it's a partnership between farming and nature. There's no one or the other, and I think that's where we've gone wrong over the years, is there's been a sort of farmers versus conservationists, and that shouldn't be. There's room for both on this farm.
Every day is a school day and you never stop learning, but I'm really keen to take what has worked on the farm and take it forward and carry on what Mum and Dad have learned as well, and try and increase the productivity of the farm from both a agricultural point of view and a nature point of view.
We're just on the edge of the Bar Brook, which is quite a fast-flowing moorland river. It's a corridor for all sorts of wildlife. The total area of all these hedgerows and the cleaves and rough ground on this particular farm accounts for about 14% of the whole acreage. So it just goes to show how much land we have made over to wildlife.
In commercial terms, I think we've got to think a bit more broadly and think about the benefits that beautiful landscapes and nature bring in terms of being able to welcome people onto the farm, and for them to enjoy all these things and to learn how our food is produced. Future support of farming is going to be really important, and especially the agri-environment schemes. It's got to enable these really deeply rooted family farms to carry on farming.
I think the future could be bright. We're facing so many unknowns at the moment. When you look through the ages, farming has always survived one way or another, and we've just got to keep doing exactly that.